Hey guys, it's Samantha Starlight 808 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So the DVD I have to be unboxed and reviewed for you is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. It is certified as fresh Rotten Tomatoes, a show shocking good time. So I saw this movie back in August. I think it's 4 months already. But here's the front. We have Leonardo, the leader in blue, Raphael, the badass turtle, Michelangelo, the goofy one, and we have Donatello, the smart one. So, yep, that's what the front looks like. Here's the spine. We got the 4 turtles and the back. We got the turtles, the mutants, Splinter, and April. So, let's get this bad boy open. Hold on. Excuse me. This part's easier to be unboxed. Okay, so hold on a second. I'll be with you guys in a minute. Okay, here we go. So this is what the DVD is like being unsealed or whatever. So here's the disc. It's a plain old gray disc. This is Paramount Nickelodeon Movies. And that's all for the unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!